Hi everyone. Today I'm on the parking of the waterfall, especially of Namuang Waterfall. Just right over there are some elephants. To be honest, I'm really not a big fan of this place for elephant because it's actually trekking that you can do here, but yeah, kids can like it because you can buy over there some bananas that you can give to the elephant for 50 baht, and usually kids like it. But of course, yeah, I think it's better to not do any trek in Thailand, especially that now in Samui you can find some sanctuaries where you can just go to watch the elephant and feed them, and you don't have to make any trekking. So yeah, but for kids on the waterfall Namuang 1 you can find some bananas, and for 50 baht kids can have a good time. So if I came today to the waterfall, it's because now every day it's raining, almost every day for like a week now, even in daytime and nighttime. So normally here at Namuang 1 you have shops, like kind of gift shops, but now they are all closed because of course there are not enough people for them to open it. And the other good thing about Namuang 1 is that you don't have to walk long. I mean, from the parking to the waterfall, it's like kind of only 3 minutes walk. So again, if you have a family with kids, if you have a family with kids, it's quite easy for them, especially if they are like 4, 5, 6 years old, to walk until the waterfall. You don't have to make like a trekking, in the jungle. As you can see, it's really easy. Maybe I will show you that later, but there you have some restaurants. You can find local foods, simple ones, but of course have a drink. I don't know, guys, if you have ever seen that in Thailand, but when they put these things and these offers next to a tree, it means that the tree is kind of sacralized. I don't know how to say that in English, but an important tree for local people. And of course, a spirit house on the side. Many people think that these small houses are related to Buddhism, but not at all. It's really related with spirits, because Thai people really believe in ghosts, that when you die, spirits are all around us, and you have good ones, good spirits, and bad ones. And to avoid that bad ones come to live in your house, you can put these spirit houses and give them food or drink, and then they will prefer to come live in their house instead of yours. So let's have a look on the waterfall. So yeah, it's a really short walk to reach the waterfall. So of course many people who are coming in dry season are not don't really like the waterfall. But if you come during rainy season, like November, December, and sometimes 2 or 3 weeks in January, as you can see, there is a lot of water. So it's around 18 meters high, and you have all this area there where you can swim, and it's quite deep, you know. You have like 2 meters deep and some part, and you can even jump from this rock. It's pretty cool today. I like to come here sometimes to have a kind of picnic for lunch, you know. You can buy some food on the road, drinks, and you can enjoy the freshness of the waterfall when it's a hot day, for example. Yeah, so you are surrounded by jungle. I think I will go around because you can walk there to have a view on the waterfall. Yeah, another question that people often ask us is which are the months, the best months to come to Thailand according to the weather. And it's quite hard to answer to that, but if I could answer about Samui especially, I would say that February, March, April, and also July, August and September are good months. Because usually the rainy season is more like now in November, but it could be also in December and January. The thing is, some years we have a really light rainy season, so it means it doesn't rain a lot, and some years it could rain a lot, you know. So yeah, it's not like a science. It's not every year the same. And so it could rain sometime in January. And for people who live in Samui, like me, for long, I mean, the worst rain that we ever had was in March. I'm not sure about the year. I think it was something like 2013 or 2014. But for 3 days we have the hugest and the biggest rain ever. And the island was absolutely cut from outside world. We didn't have any electricity. It has been a really, really hard time for the island. And it was in March. So since this time, you know, when people ask me about weather, I always say that it's hard to be sure. Anyway, even in rainy days, it's never cold, so it's always cool to be here. So as you can see, there is another access here. I will try to go down. With one hand, with my camera in one hand, sorry. You can see over there, I was talking about family, and there is one family over there. Yeah, and I like the place here. You can really have a relaxed time. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will try to make other waterfalls, as now there's a lot of water. I will make kind of top 5 waterfalls on the island. So I will visit another ones in the next days. So please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you don't do it yet. let's go, do it now. Don't hesitate and subscribe to the channel. It takes 1 second and it really helps for us to make our channel grows. And also you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, take care, be safe, and see you on the next video.